What's up guys, Eric from BSonic. Today I want to introduce you a product that we released a few months ago at the SEMA show. It is the EAZ-C02 and it is the plug and play power seat harness to add an additional subwoofer or amplifier to your sound system. So what makes this plug and play harness very special? It is that it will save you a lot of time when installing an amplifier or a power subwoofer to your vehicle. So you have your sound system that you are installing to your vehicle. You need to route that power wire from your new amplifier through the firewall to the car's battery, and it could be a big pain in the butt. And this right here relieves all that. So if you look under the passenger seat, you will find on your powered seat controller harness, there's a connector that looks exactly like this. And there's actually a battery line coming through it. It has enough amps to power an amplifier or a power subwoofer, and it has a connection for it. So it's a plug and play. You just unplug it from the power seat harness and you plug this right between it. As you can see, these are OEM constructed connectors, very, very high quality, and it uses very thick gauge wires to ensure that it could handle the additional power. And these two wires here will connect to your new power sub or your new amplifier. Super easy, super simple, and saves you a lot of time, keeps the installation clean, and you don't have wires running all around your car when you're installing a new sound system in your vehicle. So this harness is compatible with a wide range of Lexus and Toyota vehicles dating back to the 2000s, and this basically works for all Toyota and Lexuses with power seats on the passenger side. So if your passenger seat has that power seat controller where you can push on the controller where it automatically moves, then you have a power seat controller on your passenger seat. And if you have that, most likely this will work. And you can easily see if it's compatible with your car, but just by looking down under your seat, you'll find a connector that looks just like this. If you're in doubt, go ahead and send us a photo and we could confirm the compatibility with you. And just to name a few, it's compatible with all the new Tundras, Tacomas, 4Runner, and even the previous gen, as long as it has the power seat on the passenger side. So very, very wide range of vehicles that this harness is compatible with. All right, so when would you want to use this harness? Let me give you a few examples here. So I'm gonna bring out our ENA 3 series amplifier. This is also a new product that we released at SEMA last year. And this is a plug and play amplifier for a lot of the Toyota models. It comes with plug and play harness to the back of the radio. So everything's gonna be connected. Your new car audio will sound amazing with this amp, and say that you wanna add some power subwoofer to it. You go to the side of this amplifier. We have this outputs used for subwoofer out. And these will basically connect to an external amplifier or subwoofer, like this Alpine one we see here. This fits under the seat. So with the new amplifier, you will get these RCA cables. All right, that connects the audio signals between the two devices, our ENA3 and also our new power sub. And you will utilize this, will connect under the seat, and these two connections here to power and ground it will connect to the ground wire and also the power wire of this Alpine main harness. And as you can see here, this is fused just in case something goes wrong. You'll be able to protect the factory fuse to blow. This will go first. Okay, so all that, and this is the connector for the Alpine. So a connector for the Alpine here, and this Alpine harness connects to our EAZ harness for power and ground, and these two will connect to under the seat. And of course, if you want to complete the connection, don't forget to connect the remote wire from the new amplifier or power sub to the remote wire that is on this ENA3 harness, like so. So this will connect, and these will connect behind the radio, and these two will connect to the amplifier. All right, and if you have the Encore X DSP amplifier, let me show you how it connects. Basically the same concept on our ENX. You will also find the sub left and sub right out. So we'll connect those. And here is the harness for our Encore X. This is the remote wire. And once again, this connects under the seat. These two will connect to the harness on the Alpine subwoofer, just like how I shown you earlier. And then the remote wire will also connect to the Alpine harness. All right guys, well that concludes our video today. As you can see, this EAZ-C02 harness, it's an easy way to install either a power subwoofer or additional amplifier to your vehicle, and you do not have to do any additional routing through the firewall, through the engine bay, and directly to your battery. You can get the battery power from under the passenger seat, which will save you a lot of time, and it'll save you a lot of clutter and messiness of routing all these cables and wires. And if you use a under the seat power subwoofer, everything is gonna be under the passenger seat. The new power sub, this connection here, and all your other connections to your other amplifier or system. So it's a game changer, guys. It makes everything very, very easy. And for your installers out there, this will save you a lot of time, and saving a lot of time means making more money. For your viewers out there, would you purchase this harness? If so, would you be adding a subwoofer, or would you be adding another amplifier and changing out your whole sound system? We'd like to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below. And for all of you guys out there that hasn't subscribed yet, help our channel, give us a subscribe and give us that like, and we will do our best to bring you better content or more content in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.